Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. I'm starting a new series on APM future flags. Okay, in this series we discuss about the complete details on the future flags and how to use this future flag, what type of future flags we have, okay, how to enable, disable, all these things we are discussing about in this series. Okay, as a part of this series, the first video I'm making on the what are the future flags. So this is the introduction. So we'll see what exactly this future flag is. Okay, so in this video I discuss these four scenarios. That is a what are APM future flag, why this feature disabled by default, and how to enable, disable, allow all future flags. Okay, and as you know, when we can able to start the APM server by the command line config file and the APM server programmatically. So these future flags we can use when we start the APM server. So I will show you how we can able to use via command line config file and APM server programmatically. So these three cases I will show you. Okay. So all these four scenarios we are going to cover step by step here in detail. So first of all, you understand what are the future flags in APM. Okay. The future flags in APM are used to obtain to certain sensitive, experimental, and non-default features that are otherwise disabled for security and stability. Okay, see these feature flags are intensely disabled for security purpose and for stability. Whenever is needed, as per the user need, we need to enable it or disable it here. So how we can able to enable or disable this future flag? So for that one, we have two arguments, that is a allow insecure and deny insecure flags we have. So if you use allow insecure argument, we can able to specify which feature flag we need to enable. So we can enable single or multiple feature flags at a time. The same case, if I want to disable the certain feature flag, I can able to use the argument called deny insecure. So I can disable single or multiple future flags. Okay, and these future flags should be enabled when you are starting the APM startup. Means if you want to use certain future flags, we need to start the APM server and we need to mention which future flags we need to want, enable or disable here. Okay, and next is a commonly used future flags in APM. That is the server, get server logs, get server status, execute driver script, session override, relax security, allow all plugins, session discovery, route to driver. So all these feature flags we discuss one by one in our coming videos here. So in this video we have an introduction part. So we have gone through it what exactly the server flag, so future flag in APM and commonly used APM future flags here. So the next one is the usage. So how we want to use this one means how we want to enable, disable or the or. Okay, the first case I'll take via command line. First I'll show these three options via command line. Then we move to config file. Then APM server. So all these things we see. So we start a command line. Open the command line here. So as you know, right, when you want to start the APM server, we need to provide these feature flags here. So I started the APM server by the command line, and here I need to allow some future flags here. Okay, how we can able to do it here? Please note, I am working on the APM 3 beta version. Okay, so you see the version here, it is a 3.0.0 APM 3 beta version. Okay, so now I want to enable certain future flags. Okay, now start APM and then we need to give the argument. We have an argument that is the allow double hyphen allow hyphen insecure equal to, okay, and as per the APM 3 beta version, we should give mandate the automation name. Okay, so automation name we need to provide here. So you can give the, in case of iOS, you can use XUIT test, or if you are using the UI automator 2, you can use the UI automator 2 here. Okay, so I want to just give the UI automator 2. UI automator 2. There is the automation name, that is driver name here, and which flag I need to enable. Okay, so I will take one flag, that is ADB underscore cell. So what is flag? See, ADB, suppose programmatically, if you want to run any ADB cell command, I have to enable the Appium server with this particular flag. Then only I can able to run any ADB cell command in my script. Okay, otherwise give a error. So I'm at to enable this security feature. So here I take one case, I'm enabling the single feature here. So I had to give like this. If you click on enter, so my Appium server is started with the single feature flag, that is the ADB underscore cell. So this is a way to start the feature flag with single. Okay, now I want to give the multiple here. So close the Appium server. Now same thing. So we had to use allow insecure colon UI automated to colon equal to colon UI automated to colon ADB cell. So here I want to use one more feature flag here. So just use comma, okay, and then once again I had to use the automation name. Okay, I not want to use the XUITest, I want to use the UI automated too. So I just use the UI automated too for Android, UI automated too colon. Now which flag I want to use? That is, I use the session discovery flag. Session discovery. Okay. So in previous case, I have enabled single flag. Okay, I am allowing single flag here. Now I am allowing multiple flags. Okay, just give the Appium space allow insecure your automated the automation name colon the name of the flag. Okay, and same you automated to colon session discovery. Click on enter. Now we have enabled the multiple future flags here. So this is how we can able to allow single and multiple future flags here. Okay, this is from the command line. Okay, the same thing we can do it from the, see, you can say allow insecure you automate to this are given here. Okay, the same thing whatever I done in the command line, I want to do from the configuration file. How we can able to do it? So go here, and my configuration files are here in the path. Just go. Yeah, I'll open in the System Explorer. Okay, if you open the System Explorer here, this is a configuration file, a JSON format. So here, see, if you see here under the server block, I have said as allow insecure. I have used execute hyphen driver. If you want to some more, see, just you want to give the comma here. Okay, just mention comma and just give the session discovery like this. That's it. So you can provide like this also. Okay, so this is the way when you are providing the from the configuration file. Okay, if you want to give multiple, you have to give like this. So if you want single, you can just remove this one. So this is a way to provide the allow insecure the future flag. Okay, single and multiple through the configuration file. Okay, we have seen this one. I don't want to save this one. No, not save. Okay, and we have seen the command line, configuration file, and the foreground. Very important here. So we take any existing code. So if I see, already I made some videos on the how to start Appium server. So here I am using the classes here. You know, right, how to start the Appium server programmatically. We had to use the two classes, that is the Appium driver local service and Appium service builder. Okay, under the service builder, we have some options here. So I want to add something here. So let's say dot with argument. I'll just use this one. Remove the semicolon. Yeah. So I'm using this method here and I use a gender server flag. Okay, this enum is very important. Gender server flag and dot enter. Dot click. Here we have see we have a value called allow insecure. Okay, select this one and whatever the flags you need to add, you can add it here. That is the session discovery. I want to enable the session discovery. I can enable it like it's okay. This single multiple. I can enable multiple here. Just give this and ADB cell like this. I can enable to here. Okay. If you want allow single, just give one. If you want multiple, you give like this. Okay. This is how we can able to enable the future flag from the programmatically. But is that is the APM server builder. Okay. This is the all three ways we have seen command line provide like this. Okay, and if you are doing config file, provide the config file like this. Okay, so I close that one. Just say history is not there. Okay, I have seen it command configuration file how we have to provide there, and the same thing when you are starting the APM server programmatically, we had to use with argument method, and you had to use gender server flag dot allow insecure. And what are the suppose you are using multiple, you have to give like this. Okay, this is a way to start the APM server with this flag. Okay, so we have seen how to enable. The same case you want to disable here. Okay, we have to disable here. So as you see here, we have two arguments. What is allow insecure and deny insecure. That's the same thing. Go back here. So I'll do it from the command line here. Okay, APM instead of allow insecure, I say deny insecure. That's it. Deny insecure equal to. So I have to use automation name, or you can use right asterisk mark also. You can use it here. So give the asterisk mark and give ADB cell. I see when I want to disable this one, this particular. That's it. So I'm starting the APM server saying deny insecure. I want which flag I want to deny. That is the ADB underscore cell. So I'm starting the APM server with this deny insecure and providing the name of this flag. This is for single. How you can do for multiple the same case. Okay, just close this one and add it. Multiple, just give the one more flag name. Just say session insecure. Second session discovery. That's it. So I'm starting the APM server with deny insecure with two flags here. Okay, so I'm using the APM 3 beta version here. So APM beta version, I need to give this automation name. Okay, that is for Android UI Automator 2 for iOS XUID test, or you can do asterisk mark also. Okay, so here we have seen how to deny single and multiple features. This is from command line. The same thing I will do from the configuration file. So we'll go to configuration file here. Just here, go here. Already I opened here. You open this one. Okay, simple. Just instead of allow insecure, just say deny insecure. That's it. That's it. Already we have. Already we have. Already we have. See, I use deny insecure means I am allowing here and I am denying here. Okay, both cases I am using here. Okay, that is a deny insecure. Give the name of this one. If you want multiple, just give a comma here and just say session discovery. That's it. That's it. This is the one. Single, multiple. Okay, this is the way how to deny insecure. We can use the multiple and single flag here. Okay, just close this one. I don't want to save it. Done. So we have seen the command line and configuration. The same thing I need to go to the programmatically here. Just go here. Instead of the allow insecure, just say deny. That's it. That's it. Use this value deny insecure and provide what all the flags you want disable, you can disable it here. That's it. Okay. So we have seen how to deny in the flag command line. This is the command line. We have to use this argument here. Okay, this argument. Configuration we have seen. And the same is the programmatic also you can do it. Okay, so that's why always I say gender server flag is very important when you are running the program. You can serve programmatically here. A lot of things you can do it from here. Okay, this is the how to deny insecure. Now allow all. This is very important here. So just close this one. You can already close. So one more we have. So I want to allow all the future flags. How we can able to do it? So if you come here, so we have one future flag is relax security. So if you use this relax security, automatically all the flags are enabled. Say shortcut enable all insecure future at once. Just use relax security. Okay. So the same command line will go here and just say appium. Okay. And just say allow insecure. And say store relax security. Wait a minute. Relax security. That's it. But never use this one because whatever the features you want, use like this. Okay. Don't use relax security because it will problem with the security here. So just say relax security. Okay. Okay. Why it is happening? Okay. Just a minute. I want to relax security. Right? Just say relax security. Okay. What's the problem here? Relax security. There's a colon here. Just a minute. Okay, I given wrong here command. Okay, so your typo here. Here I use colon here, right? So how can it work? Equal to here. Yeah. Yes, I have given the colon here. That's why it is given failed here. Okay, instead of equal to, I have used a colon. Okay, so here what I am doing, I am starting the APM server with allow insecure and I am using the relax security flag. Means default I am allowing all the future flags here. Okay, so this is how you want enable all the feature flags. Just use the relax security flag. Here I have allowed insecure. Now I want deny it here. Okay, just close this one and say just say. So once again I type it here. Deny insecure equal to tick mark and just say relaxed. Relaxed underscore security. Just make typo errors here. If a typo errors is that it definitely failed. Okay. So previously we have instead of equal to we have given colon. That's why it says undeclared argument here. Okay. Just say deny insecure. Just enter. Okay. So this is how we can able to deny all the feature flags. Allow, just give the allow insecure, relax security, database name. I'm using the just asterisk mark here, relax security. Deny, just use the flag called relax underscore security. Okay. So this is the case of command prompt. Okay. So we'll just close here. And now we'll see how we can able to do it in the config file. Open the config file. Simple it here. Okay. Just go here and remove this deny insecure. Just here method type relax security. That's it. Relax security. That's it. If you want allow, you can use it here. If you not want it here, you just use this one here. That's it. You can do it both ways. Means allow all the features. That's it. If you want allow, allow here. But do give only one. Okay. So allow, use like this. Deny, use like this. So this is the way from the config file. Okay. And when we want the same thing from the programmatically, how we can able to do it? Just go here and just say relax security. That's it. You don't leave this one, remove this one. That's it. If you use like this, get it. Relax security. No need to mention. Got it. So we can use the relax security, allow insecure, deny insecure when you are running the when you starting the Appium server programmatically. Okay. So this is how we can able to. I don't want to save the script. Let's say not save. Okay, because this script is belong to other uh, concept here. So just I want demo here. Just I open this. Okay, this is how we can able to enable, disable, and the exact use of future flag here. So in the coming videos, I'll go to the each and every future flag. What are the uses of this particular future flag for each and every future flag we discuss. Okay. The next one is the one more concept we had. One more topic point we forgot, that is the why these features are disabled by default. Okay? Because APM often use the shared cloud CI/CD environments, certain operators could leak server data, execute arbitrary code on the host, create unauthorized session, or tamper with live ones. To avoid this risk, APM requires explicit opt-in future flags. So these are the cases why but these features are disabled default. Okay, based upon requirement, we need to enable or disable these features. Okay, so this is the just for introduction what exactly the APM feature flags. Okay, we have seen how to enable, disable, all here. All these four concepts we have seen: the enable, disable, allow all, and I have demonstrated by the command line, config file, and APM server programmatically. Okay, so you can find all my work. Okay, all my articles, whatever I'm discussing in these videos are in the article way here. So just go to my articles here. You can find the video and the related article and the script. And whatever that I'm discussing the scripts or I have put in the GitHub, you can just go to this one and clone it here. And same thing, I have a blog here. You can find all my work in both in a just a minute. So both in the videos. So we have the YouTube videos and we have the related articles. If you click on any link, you can find the article for the related topic here. Okay. So if you like my videos, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.